Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make praline candy with pecans. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of delicious pecan halves, 1 1/4 cups of white sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. For the liquid base, have 3/4 cup of light cream ready, along with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a pinch of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to perfect the texture. Now let's prepare our candy base. Begin by lining 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. This ensures your pralines won't stick. In a sturdy 3-quart saucepan, combine your white and brown sugars, light cream, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Then, attach a candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches precisely 235 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your mixture hits the target temperature, promptly remove the saucepan from the heat. This is a crucial step to prevent overcooking. Next, stir in the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter until it's completely melted and smoothly incorporated into the candy base. Now, add your 2 cups of toasted pecan halves and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir this mixture vigorously for about 3 to 3½ minutes. This helps it cool slightly and begin to thicken. Time to form your delicious pralines. Working quickly, use a spoon to drop heaping dollops of the warm mixture onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheets. Try to create uniform, round shapes for a beautiful presentation. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Allow your pralines to cool completely, which usually takes about 45 minutes. Once fully set and firm, they will easily lift off the parchment paper, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.